Pricing and launch information for the global model of the Honor 70 appears to have leaked online. The Honor 70 was announced in China back in May, unveiling an unusually slinky-looking upper mid-ranger with a particularly promising camera. We've known it's been heading west for a while now, and there's even a dedicated pre-order page on the Honor UK and France websites. What we haven't known is how much the Honor 70 will cost over here, until now. Appuals is carrying details of the new phone's color and storage options, as well as that key pricing information. According to the website, the Honor 70 will start from €549 for a model with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. You'll be able to double that storage to 256GB for €599. If you want an idea of how that will convert over here in the UK, last year's Honor 50 started from €530 in Europe and £450 in Blighty. It'll apparently come in 3 colors here in Europe: Midnight Black, Emerald Green and Crystal Silver, and will be launching on September 2nd. We're especially intrigued to see how the Honor 70's camera system turns out. It'll be the first phone to use the new Sony IMX800 image sensor, which comes with an unorthodox 54MP resolution. Elsewhere it'll feature a 6.67-inch 120Hz curved OLED display, 66W charging, and a Snapdragon 778 Plus processor. Basically, we're looking at what will hopefully be another hot mid-range contender following on from the Pixel 6a, the OnePlus Nord 2T, and the Nothing phone.